Still in true honeydew format, I'm no different than my customers. I have my own honeydew list. So even my wife comes to me and says she doesn't like front porch, so we tear it down and rebuild it. Let me walk you through all the things that she chose to do at our house, something you might be interested in doing in yours. Welcome to our porch. There's no exposed wood. We capped all of the corner posts, we capped all of the columns. Everything is done in composite. It's got a lifetime guaranteed. It comes white, so I don't have to worry about painting. We use a PVC cap decking as well. We have a safety bar here. This is required by code in most places to have a graspable handrail. We went the upgraded railings with the aluminum ballasts. The border here, we did a two-tone to give it a little contrast and to hide the cut edges. We do what's called picture frame borders. Wife's idea, to put a swing here. I wasn't over a big fan of it at first, but she was right and I was wrong. I guess no surprise there, right? We went with a hidden fastener system on the floorboard, so you'll notice that there's no nails anywhere. There's no nails, there's no screws, everything is hidden clipped, so it's underneath. Well, you'll see above me I have a solid ceiling. In order for the rain not to come through and to make this a usable area all year round, we put in a system called Rain Escape, which catches the water and funnels it out to a gutter on the outside of the deck, making this a dry space. We put in this soffit panel here. It's a 3-channel soffit. We put in some LED lights with a dimmer, so at night you can kind of just hang out here and just chill. All right, so here's the upper balcony. One of the reasons why we did the double deck and we did a full extension from corner to corner on the house was because of the view of the lake that we get, and we wanted that serenity that comes from that. So a couple lounge chairs for some sun tanning and some just relaxing in the evening, a little yoga for the wife in the morning, maybe a little cappuccino in the morning, but a nice, just going for this whole like kind of resort oasis kind of a feel. So the French doors, and underneath here is that rain escape system that I was talking about that has to catch the water and channel it out to a gutter system we put on the end, which then carries the water away into an underground line that then goes out away from the property, so there's no water anywhere. Solar post caps, so at night it gives this really nice ambiance of the light coming off of the solar post caps. Sometimes it's not a carpenter you need, or a deck guy you need, or a general contractor, or even a handyman. Sometimes it's just a honeydew man. You need to come in and point in the right direction and answer those questions and get you that deck that you always dreamed of.
Want more tips and design ideas? Click to subscribe now.